Hi everyone, this is the Math 10C polynomial review. This is written response 7K. We're just being asked to factor this thing. So we're going to do it the same way we've done the other trinomials here. We're going to take 9x squared. We're going to multiply it by the 64y squared. Don't get thrown off by this pattern of variables here. What's going to happen here is we know that the first term in our binomial will have an x in it. The second term has to have a y. That's what's creating that pattern there. So anyway, so when we multiply those two together, we are going to get, what are we going to get? 576 x squared y squared. So that's what our product is going to be. And we're looking for two numbers whose product is that and whose sum is going to be negative 48 xy. Now, there's a little bit of a trick to this. When I take a look at this problem here, notice that that first term there is a perfect square. Notice that that second term, or sorry, that last term there, 64y squared, that's also a perfect square. I am going to take a stab at this, and I bet that 576 is a perfect square. And it turns out it is. It's 24. So the numbers that we're looking for are going to be negative 24xy, negative 24xy. Okay? That's just a guess when I see that kind of a pattern there. But it gives me a little bit of a head start in this problem. So here are my two binomials. My outer product here is going to be negative 24xy. My inner product will also be negative 24xy. So whatever term goes here, it has to be a factor of 9x squared. It also has to be a factor of negative 24xy. And the largest number that I can see that would do that is going to be 3x. So if this number right here is 3x, that means this term right here also has to be 3x, so that their product will give us 9x squared. Now this number right here, or this term I should say, and this term, their product has to be negative 24xy. So this one over here has to be negative 8y. Just a y in it so that when I multiply those together you get xy. And then the same thing happens here. If this is 3x, this term here again has to be negative 8y in order to get that product negative 24xy. So we can actually rewrite this as, this is going to equal 3x minus 8y all squared. And that's the answer we're looking for.